Give me a little pre-game interview. How you feeling?
10 points.
Yo, give me the rebounds.
I'm gonna say 6. Rebounds.
I know you got vision. Come on now. So who's down with them little?
I'm gonna say 4 assists, a steal, a block.
Some Luka numbers. Some Luka numbers. Who you got winning? At the end of the day, who you got winning? Yo. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Give me one, Will.
You better know my average is. Look at that shit. He knows what they call me. Oh yeah, that's a bucket.
Ain't no. Oh, I miss my dog.
Hey, stop up, Earl.
I was in the middle of a game. I was playing. I need you with that. Look, I really. What you want to tell niggas, bro?
Look, bro. All I want to say is trust in God, believe in your heart, and know Team Cartel taking over.
Thumbnail. They cheated. Got 4 points off of tags.
Hey, look.
Yeah, I got a partner of mine waiting on a text right now. That boy said he just copped, so fuck with us.
What's the thrift looking like?
He just copped some guys.
Oh yeah.
It's a new nigga I met. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I mean we can fuck with that after I'm done recording the game. I gotta get the YouTube shit though, bro. Feel me? Bro, that boy still in here? Oh, give me one. Oh, that's that one steal, Chris. Lay that raw and one. Trey, I'm about to sub you in, Trey.
I go in at 10.
Oh, hey, that's that block, Chris. That's that block, Chris.
Come on, T. What y'all doing? Come on. There you go, you. Bang out. Let's go. Bang out. Don't wait on the wheel. Hit. Get back in it. Good boy, Josh.
Come on, bro.
Rebound. Let's go.
Good board. We'll get a bucket, twin. That's an easy one.
Play up. Bang out. That's it.
Come on, bro.
Rebound. Let's go.
Good board. We'll get a bucket, twin. That's an easy one.
Play up. Bang out. That's it. By yourself, Jared. Stay strong, Josh.
Oh.
Let's go. Go, Jared. You good? Oh, here one more. Bang out. Say, that's you, Josh.
Good board, Josh.
That's you, Josh.
Good board, Josh. Oh.
Hey, stop ball. You good? Down low. Still. Let's go, bro.
Turn me out, Will. Get a bucket.
Let's go. Space out some. That's it. Man, y'all gotta move, team. Y'all tired? Come on, pop up. Backboard.
Face shot, Will. Face fucking shot, nigga. Face fucking shot, nigga.
Yeah, Will. Oh, yeah, come on, son.
Come on, Rob. Oh, no.
Rebound, Josh.
Good board, Josh. Get a bucket, twin. Get a bucket, twin. Lay. Oh. Oh.
Hey, hand up, hand up. Rebound. Rebound.
What it is? What? Hey, that I know y'all seen that shot from my brother. Well, he do that. That's my brother.
What?
You were. Come on, Rob. Sit right there, Trey. Oh. Keep playing defense, Josh. You good? That was a free throw. Before I forget, that was a free throw. Yo, you were.
Stop having other people recording.
I know. And one! Ref! That was a free throw. Before I forget, that was a free throw. Yo, you were?
Stop having other people recording.
I know. And one! Ref! Hey, then I'm about to give my brother his spot. I was like, why we just call this shit? Like, I don't know, man. It's a good game. I'm fucking with it. Good bucket, boy. Yo, make this one. I'm gonna have a next Valentine's Day. Lay that, Rob. Go get a bucket, Dante. Good board, boy. Go get a bucket. Oh! Kill his shit, twin. Oh! I ain't gonna lie, they keep shooting the ball how they shooting it. My side gonna win. I ain't gonna lie, my side gonna win. I'm fucking with it. My side gonna get the dub. I ain't tripping. Good shit too. With them rebound, I know y'all need them rebound. My dog Josh hooping. Today. I'm already knowing. My dog got that assist. He got that. That's still that block. Wait, let me show light to this side. Hold on. Let me show light to this side. And one?
It should not be no problem.
Trey? Oh. What they call? Man, that was a foul. Oh man. Oh. How you feeling? You tired?
Nah, I just had my teammate doing it.
Oh. Go fine, Trey. Get a rebound, Josh. Oh my. Miss this one, my next future bitch is getting caught. I ain't gonna lie, I still got my dog in them winning. Like, it look good right now though. Like we up by 1. Let me get a scope for halftime. We up by 1. It's good. I think the other team is running 2-3 is good. I don't know. We not really tripping on nothing or whatever. I'm gonna get their little input though. Get out my huddle. Shooting that shit well. 50. Oh my fucking goodness. Good boy, Josh. Look around. Don't just throw that bitch up, Josh. Y'all good, y'all good. Ah! Please get about it, you word. Got ref in them right there. You said, huh? Court is crazy. Buddy Hield hit his threes?
Bro, yes.
Buddy Hield did not hit no fucking threes.
Alright, bro, I had him for 3. I had him for 4. Bro, I had him for 3.5, bro. Bro got...
In between the free throws is crazy.
Bro got 4 out of 5, bro.
Oh, he missed that, dude.
Bro hit the moves, bro.
Jalen Brunson like that, though. Oh, no call? No call is crazy. 0 call is crazy. No call is wild. Give it to Will. Turn me up, Trey. Oh, shoot over him, Trey. Oh, that's an easy one. And one, Dante. And one, Dante. I think Willingdon winning, huh? I think Willingdon winning. Oh no, they down now, yeah. Turn me up, you word. Turn me up, you word. Let's talk about it when we not recording over the video. They're gonna hear about our game.
Alright, bro, at least we ain't gonna...
We ain't, but we should have won that game. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't hitting my free throws like that. I know.
We had way too many trouble.
Oh, hey, that's an easy one. That's a layup. Over where?
I let them use it because they have a game though.
Oh, okay. it. Turn me up, Trey. I think so. Oh, no call. No call. Good board, boy. Good fucking rebound, yo. Good fucking rebound.
Man, McCall did the solo shit.
I told you that was gonna happen though. Did I not tell you that was gonna happen? Oh! He missed that bitch once I start. He made that bitch when I start recording. A bucket, you were? Look back at him, Dante. Look back at that nigga, Dante. How stupid that. Yo, good call, ref. Good call, ref. Good call, ref. It's tie game. What? No. That's my teammate. It's my old teammate. My other teammate. No, he not on the team. No. Chill, coach. We good, coach. And one. Go up, Josh. Hey. You're fine, Will.
Niggas too cool for me, bro. Nigga gotta do it. Nigga gotta be you.
Right, bro. Wait, that's an easy one, you were. That's a lay. Lay him. Good bucket, you were. And one. Coach. Talk your shit, coach.
Oh, man, they got beside.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think he fucking with y'all, bro. I don't think he fuck with y'all.
Where am I gonna keep the foul?
I don't think he fuck with y'all, bro. Hey, nigga say he got about 3.
Really?
That's a free one. That's a free one. Go get a bucket, twin. Hey! Go get a bucket, twin. Oh my fucking goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh! And one! And one, Josh! And fucking one, Josh! No, you were. You was hooping. No. What you? And one. Why they got the head coach on the court, man? No. Get the head coach out the court, man. Clock's still going. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Clock's still going. So nail bite. I'm still sticking with my team. Fuck it, we ball. I'm riding with my team, right or wrong. It's 35-30. This is the team that's going to the championships, bro.
Yeah, Jared.
One, two, back.
Y'all see score right there, right? Good find, Will. Oh. But y'all gotta have an offense. That's one of them. That's one of them. That's one of them. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's one of them. The juice. Kill his shit, Will. $42-36. Get a bucket, Rob. Get a bucket, Rob. E-Word, go get that bitch, E. I don't know. If he emoted, bro, that's an animation, bro. You good, right? They not gonna call it. E-Word! E-Word! I don't know. If he emoted, bro, that's an animation, bro. You good, right? They not gonna call it. E-Word! E-Word! Hey, my son, he tapped that boy head. Oh, shoot that bitch, Rob. And one! And one! Turn me the fuck up, Rob. And one! Man, put my son points on that bitch. Put my son points up there. My son hit that bitch. Oh. He gotta make these bitches though, I ain't gonna lie. Get the dick out your mouth, stupid. That's my partner, I gotta say that. Hey, and one. Why did you take him out? Why y'all take him out? Leave him in. Oh no, they try to fuck up the game plan. Oh.
Who came in? If you came in, somebody.
I know. Oh, that's one of them. That's one of them. Lay. Oh, that's a free one. That's a free one. They gave up. They gave up. Lay. I gotta get that bitch. I gotta get that bitch. Yeah, it's one of them. 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 It's one of them days. I told y'all my team's gonna win.